My name is Krishang Desai and my GT project is on coding. First of all, what is coding? Coding, also called computer programming, is how we communicate with computers. Coding is a language which people can give it to a program. Code tells a device what to do and how to do it. When you code, you have letters and symbols, but behind the code, there are only zeros and ones called the base system. Who was the first computer programmer? Ada Lovelace was the first computer programmer, but she did not create the first computer. Some facts about Ada Lovelace. Her mother, Anne Isabella Milbanke, was also a mathematics whiz. She was known as the Princess of Parallelograms. There was also a computer programming language which is named in Ada Lovelace's honor. It was developed during the 1970s by the U.S. Department of Defense. She was in progress of making a computer, but it failed. Who made the first successful computer? Frederick C. Williams was the first person to create a successful computer, and it was called the Manchester Baby. Some facts about Frederick C. Williams. It took him 2 years to build the Manchester Baby. He died on August 11, 1977 at the age of 66, and he only worked with 2 other people to build the Manchester Baby named Tom Kilburn and Geoff Tootle. That's a photo of Frederick C. Williams, and that's a photo of the Manchester Baby. Examples of some coding languages. Some coding languages include Python, Java, and JavaScript. Why is coding good for kids? First, coding can increase creativity by structuring unique programs. Also, it can increase your communication and socialism. Another way coding can help you is in your academic performance. The last way coding can help kids is that it makes you a confident problem solver. What would happen without code? Without code or programming, there would be no phones, tablets, laptops, or even televisions because all that runs on programs. So here's my example of coding. So I'm going to use a language called Python. I'm going to be using a program called Python Turtle Graphics. So Python Turtle Graphics is like a notepad where you can draw stuff. So to activate Python Turtle Graphics, you're going to have to type from turtle input apostrophe. Now we're going to keep the speed on 1 so we can see how it's happening. We're going to keep the color on red. Now the turtle, which is this arrow, is going to start left, pointing left. So we're going to have to turn it 90 degrees so it's pointing up. Then we're going to have to go forward 100 units so it's up here. Then we're going to have to turn it right 135 degrees so it's pointing diagonally downwards. Then we have to make it go forward 70 degrees so it's halfway across. Then we're going to turn it right left 90 degrees so it's pointing the other way. Then we're going to make it go forward 70 degrees so it's equivalent to this side. Then we're going to have to turn it right 135 degrees so it's pointing back down. And then we're going to go forward 100 units so it's pointing down here. So let's see how it looks after all the code. So this is how it looks. Thanks for watching, guys.